David Patton, CEO of Abbey Logistics, part of the Sitra Group. So Abbey Logistics operates over 400 units within the UK market, but is also part of the group where there's an additional 1,100 operating. Abbey has enjoyed a long-term relationship with DAF and North West Trucks in particular. So Abbey Logistics operates a fleet replacement program where we target between 50 and 60 units per year. So far Abbey's purchased 40 of the new 25 plates. On the new 25 plates we're seeing the early indicators of an improved fuel economy. Early signs are indicating around 0.4 mpg improvement on the new 25 plates versus our previous models. The business is excited to see how this develops